Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use data collected for more job ads on LinkedIn PC. Why would you want to know how to use data collected for more job ads on LinkedIn PC? Well, maybe you are new to LinkedIn. So today I am going to show you how to use data collected for more jobs ads on LinkedIn PC. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, click on your profile, setting and privacy. Okay, now click on advertising data. Now data collected on LinkedIn. Okay, connection. Can we use information from your degree connection to show you more elevated ads? Okay, sure on. Now location, the same, using location to get more ads. Here demography, okay, on. Use your age and your gender for more ads. Okay, companies you follow, sure, use it, no problem. Go back, groups. Okay, information from groups you have joined it for more relevant ads, education. Okay, select what you want to be relevant. Okay, something like degree, skill, and graduated year. Okay, job information, current job, past jobs. Okay, no problem with them too. Employer, okay, current company or past companies. Leave them if you want to. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to use data collected for more job ads on LinkedIn PC, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.